How's it going, people? I'm back with another one, and today it is the Air Max 1 TreeLine, aka the Skunks. I've hit these up on size, believe it or not, because they weren't on Sneakers app for some reason, and they still aren't. And they come in this red normal box with tissue paper, which we are slowly seeing less and less of for some reason. Now here are the sneakers themselves. You got this sort of like long-haired suede going around the green areas, but then you got much thicker and softer long-haired suede on the swoosh, the pink part, which is just amazing to touch. Very soft, very nice. I mean, fuck, the quality, man, is amazing. The entire sneaker is just really, really well made, high quality. I mean, it feels good to win sometimes. You know, certain sneakers, you take a W or you take an L and you move on, you sell them on, but this one's nice. I mean, they've definitely gone all out on this one. You can clearly tell only high quality materials went into making these sneakers. No glue lines, no glue marks, no nothing. It is just perfect. And the attention to detail, the quality is, you need to have one in your hand to be able to appreciate it. I mean, I'm trying to show you guys close-ups of the quality, and I hope you guys can tell as well, but at the end of the day, it's a video. I mean, how much are you gonna be able to see? I mean, even the tongue, the sock liner, the insoles, they thought of everything. For me personally, it is the sneaker of the year so far. I still haven't got my hands on the concepts. I put an order through. It is coming on the heavies, more specifically, and I will review them once they get here as well. But for now, the sneaker of the year for me personally are these Skunks. Now on feet, they are comfortable, but it is an Air Max 1, you know they're comfortable. It's just the colorway is going to be a little bit tricky to style, I guess, because it is loud, but nothing is impossible. You just have to be brave enough. That's all it is. So the sizing is definitely true to size. I'll definitely go for your usual size like I have with mine, and they fit perfectly. And here's the crease test for you guys. You will be perfectly safe with these. I don't see them getting creased anytime soon. Although I have an Air Max 90 with a mesh toe box, and I'm seeing creases in them. So, I don't know, I mean, only time will tell, I guess. But yeah, I mean, if you're considering to get these and you're about to pull the trigger, I would say go for it. Don't think about it. Don't think twice. Go get them, and you're going to regret it otherwise, I'm telling you. If the price does go up, you will 100% regret it. and that's a fact. I mean, I'm not saying the price will go up, but just in case, 50 quid is 50 quid. That's how I see it, you know. If I can get a resale on the low, I'll definitely go for it. If the price is too high, I will try to stay away. I'm literally in love with these. This is definitely one I'm keeping for the collection myself. Will I wear these? 100%. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.